Hello everyone. Let us discuss the formulas related to relations and functions. Let us start from the relations. Let us define a relation R on a set A and the number of elements in A is considered as n. Then the formulas are given here. This is the formula to find total number of relations, that is 2 power n square, and for the reflexive relation it will be 2 power n square minus n, and for the symmetric relation it will be 2 power n into n plus 1 by 2, which is nothing but 2 power n square plus n by 2. And if the relation is reflexive as well as symmetric, then it will be 2 power n square minus n by 2, or which is nothing but 2 power n into n minus 1 by 2. There is no specific formula to find the transitive relation. If we want to find the equivalence relation means which is reflexive, symmetric as well as transitive, we use a special number called as Bell number. Now let us discuss how to find this Bell number. To find the Bell number, first we take 1 and the next row number will also be 1. If we add these two numbers, we write it here, that is 2. Then repeat this number in the next row. Now add these two numbers, we get 3. Add 2 and 3, we get 5. The last number of the third row is repeated in the fourth row. Now again add 5 and 2, we get 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Repeat like this continuously. Therefore, the Bell numbers are like this. Now, let us see how to calculate the equivalence relation. If n of A equal to n, that n represents here. If n equal to 1, number of equivalence relation is 1. If n equal to 2, then number of equivalence relation is 2. If n equal to 3, then number of equivalence relation is 5. That means the last number in the table in that row will give the number of equivalence relation. Similarly, for n equal to 4, 5 and 6. Continuously we can find the numbers. Now let us come to the functions. So total number of functions is given by n power m. If it is defined from a to b and n of a is m and n of b is n, then total number of functions is given by n power m. And let us come to the types of function, that is 1, 1, onto and bijective. If m is less than n, then we cannot define onto function. As we cannot define onto function, obviously we cannot define bijective function, because we know that bijective function which is both 1, 1 and onto. Only 1, 1 function is defined and its formula is npm. Similarly, if m is greater than n, then 1, 1 function is not defined. As 1, 1 function is not defined, bijective function is also not defined. Only onto function is defined and the formula is given here. If m equal to n and if the function is 1, 1, then it will obviously onto. Similarly, if it is onto, then it will obviously 1, 1. When the number of elements in both a and b are equal, if any function is 1, 1, it will obviously bijective function. Similarly, if any function is onto, then it is also a bijective function. Therefore, the formula is same in all the cases, that is n factorial. This is all about the formulas to find number of relations and functions. Thank you.